Welcome friends, welcome to my channel Tech Guide and Earning Hub. Here you will get all the technical problem solutions and online money earning opportunities. Here I will show you the easy and the best ways to earn money online just by doing the simple works in your laptop, and just by using your mobile phone you can earn a lot of money online. To get this passive and crazy money earning opportunities, do subscribe this channel now. So let's start our today's main topic. Today's topic is totally based on our website freelancer.com. In one of my previous video I have clearly explained the overview of the freelancing. Then I have given three website details, that is freelancer.com, upwork.com and fiverr.com. These are the three popular major websites. There you can do the freelancing. Freelancing means that freelancing meaning there you should go and the client, they have already posted some work, some jobs, some projects, whatever you can say, and you are going there, and after going there, after getting into the fields of freelancing, you put a project, you take a project from there and solve it and do the work and submit it to the client, and client will pay for you. That's a simple way that you can earn money from the online. So that's very important for the students, that's very important for the part-time workers, that's very important for anyone those who want to earn money from the online. You can earn a passive a lot of amount of money from this way. A lot of amount of money you can earn with a very short duration of time just by doing the work, and you will get a lot of amount of money. There are plenty of works available here. Now I will show you that how many different types of works are available. Today I will discuss totally on the basis of freelancer.com. In my next video I will discuss about the upwork.com, and then another one next video I will discuss totally about the fiverr.com, how to getting into there, how to create the account, and how to take the jobs, how to take the projects from the clients, how to solve the project, how to do the work for the client and submit it to the client, and how client will receive, how client will give you the money and you will receive it and withdraw from your bank, and from bank you will take it from your pocket. That's a very simple way. That's a totally chain work. First you should understand that how to do the work, how to submit it to the client, and how to receive the money from the client, and how to withdraw it. That's very simple, but I will show you in step by step totally details and telling you all the different tricks and logics behind it, and you can do it just by yourself very easily. So let's start. So first you should get into the Google, and in the Google you can search freelancer.com, and after searching you will get plenty of websites. There are a lot of official websites and lots of different websites, and there also you can get into the freelancer.com website. So after searching freelancer.com we will get the first link, that is freelancers.com. that's the official website. Just click on it and you will be redirected to the freelancer.com website's official page. That is the official page. You can show, you can see that's the official page. And after getting into this page, that's a very good website, and it's crazy and very good website. That's the UI is very fantastic and interesting. Then after getting into there, first you should create an account here. And how to create an account? You should go to the sign up, click on your sign up, and after clicking on the sign up you provide your email. Just by you provide your email, that is, now I am providing my email there. That is, you can give your email, whatever email you have, whatever email you are using in your Google account, or if you want to use another email you can provide your email, and after providing your email you can create a very account very simply. Now I am showing you every step by step details, that how to create account, how to get the jobs from the clients, and how to submit it. So here I am providing my email, that is the email you can provide. Now that is, I have provided the email, then I am providing my password. Then you can just click on join freelancer. Then there is a problem. What is the problem? Don't forget to click on the checkbox that I agree the freelancer user agreement and privacy policy. There's nothing you do. If you want to study, you read this and study on it. You can click on it and go in the user agreement and the privacy policies of the freelancer.com. Otherwise you can skip it. There's nothing. There are some security precautions. You can keep secure your passwords. email IDs and everything. Just see secure it, don't tell it with another. This type of security measures and precautions, privacy policies, they have written there. You, if you want, you can go to read it. Otherwise you just click on the checkbox and click on the join freelancer. After clicking it, they tell you to make a username, that how to create an username. That is, create a username, that means then you have given your email, but username, that is how freelancer will call you. That's a very basic. So they have suggested a lot of 3 usernames, so you can click one and then you can click next. But otherwise, if you want to give another username just by yourself, you can provide this username. Then after clicking that, select account type. There are two. I'm telling you that what are the basic differences between these two. So don't make a mistake whenever you are creating a freelancing account. Watch my video and pause it whenever you want, and then whatever steps I am following, see it clearly, understand it clearly, whatever I am saying, and after that click on there and follow the steps whenever you are doing by your own. Don't create in the freelancing account just by hurry, then there only you can make a mistake, and that's a very big problem for you in future. So don't be in hurry, see my video, pause it so many times whatever you want, and whatever I am telling, read, hear it carefully, and after understanding this thing, whatever I am saying and whatever I am doing, then only you can may proceed in the freelancing website to just create by creating your account. So here there are two things, that is select account type. There you can get I want to work, and another one is I want to hire. So whatever you want to do, you want to work there, now you don't want to hire. I want to hire means you have a project that you have to that you want to make an application, social media application, e-commerce application, you want to make it. You can put this project in the freelancer, and another, those who want to work for it, they can take it, they take the project from there and they solve it and submit it to you, and you can pay for them instead of this work. So here you don't want to put a project, you want to take the project from the clients, so you just click on I want to work. After clicking it, that they are showing you the sign up success, that is your sign up process is totally in success. Then there is the most important page is HCAM. That what is the most important page? There are a lot of things you can see, that there are a lot of types of jobs are available, lot of type of projects you can solve, a lot of type of problems you can solve, lot of type of projects assignments you can say there are, you can solve it and submit it to the clients. But it depends up to you that what type of projects you want to select. There are plenty of persons, there are many students, they have different strengths in different fields. That you have a strength in website IT and software, you just click on it and select. And if you have a writing strength, then that you are a good writer, then you can select this. Then if you have a good idea about the design, media and architecture, you can select data entry and admin. Data entry, that means you just you have a manual writing page, and you would take the data from it and put it in an Excel sheet and submit it to the client. This type of works are available here. Then engineering and science, if you are interested in engineering, and if you are engineering or science student in graduate levels, then you can select this. Then sales and marketing, if you have a good idea about the sales and marketing, then you can select it. In sales and marketing, I will tell you what type of jobs are available. You can go after sales and marketing, that the user, the shopkeepers and some retailers, they have made some projects. That what are the projects, that there is a product and how to provide, what the name and what type of strategies to follow to make the sale of the product is much more greater than the previous. So this type of advice they want from you, and if you have given this advice and if they satisfied, they can give you the money. This type of works are available in the sales and marketing. They just want the marketing advice, they want to get the branding of a product, what name the shopkeeper should they want to this, they can select, so that the sales of their product is much more higher. This type of jobs, works, projects, assignments, whatever you can say, are available here. So now I am selecting some content. You can change it after that. It's not mean that after now you are selecting something, and after that, after creating your account, if you are working some 4 5 fields, and after that you want to change it, that I don't want to work in that field, I want to change that field, I want to do work in some another field, you can change it easily. After that, I will show you these details, I will show you the steps also, that how to change after creating, up to change the domains of working after creating the account in freelancing. You can easily change it, so doesn't worry, whatever you want you can select. After that, you can easily change it in your easily change your domains. You can add in new domains, you can use some domains, you can change your domains, whatever you want you can do it after creating this account. That doesn't create any problem. So now I am selecting something about in the website site and software. You click on it, so there are a lot of different subdomains available under the website site and software, under writing and content. That is PHP. I think you know that PHP, HTML, JavaScript, these are the basically programming languages. PHP is a programming, HTML and JavaScript, these are the 3 programming languages, and these are most important programming languages for website development. I have already created a video on the website development. By making a website, you can also earn a lot of money from there also. I will provide the link of the website development flowchart for 2022 in my description box. You can go this video, you can see this video. That's a very important. I have shared a very informative logics, tricks and strategies in this video. In that video you can see it, and that's a very helpful for you. That's website development is also a very good and evergreen growing options for anyone instead of freelancing. Freelancing is also very good, but website development gives you the much more amount of money than the freelancing. That's why I'm telling that website development is also very important. I will provide the link of the website of my website development flowchart 2022 video in this description box. You can easily go there and see it. So now select something. You just click on this plus sign and you can select it. Now I'm selecting that JavaScript. Then you can select in the HTML. You can see you can select up to 20 skills. That I have already selected 2 skills. If you want to remove this skill from your skill chart, you just click on the cross, that it will be easily removed. You can select I'm selecting HTML, then JavaScript, then I can select the Java. You can whatever you want you can select. Then you can select C++. I'm selecting C++ programming. Otherwise, then whatever you can select. It is a software development, game development, web hosting, Django. A lot of things are available. You can select whatever you want. You can select the different things from here. There are a lot of different things are available here. You can select it from here. A lot of things are available. After that, you can get into there is design media architecture. Then if you have a good strength in graphics designing, then you can select it. Then graphics design I can select, website design, Photoshop I can select, logo design I can select, then CSS I can select, or otherwise animation I can select, video editing I can select, After Effects, animation, video editing, modeling, video services I can select. Then whatever you want you can select. Then business, then sales and marketing, then engineering and science. If you are engineering or science graduate student in college, you can select engineering, AutoCAD, CAD, machine learning, electrical engineering, electronics. There are a lot of plenty of options are available. Whatever you want you can select. Then in under education, then video game coaching, English teaching, English tutoring, Spanish, whatever. If you are tutor, if you have good strength in French, Spanish, and mathematics, education, physics, chemistry, and mathematics, you can teach to the students. You can give advice. You can solve the homework problems or any other problems of the students, and they will pay for you. And then data entry, you can select some data entry work also. Data entry, a lot of works. You can select the Excel. You can select the data entry. There are a lot of works available under data entry. Then data analytics, Excel, macros, Microsoft Office. You can select a lot of jobs in the Microsoft Office. Then video upload, data extractions, web search. You can select the video upload. Already we have selected 14 jobs. So after completing 20, you can also proceed. If you can select one and one of your skill, you can proceed. That doesn't mean that you must select 20 out of 20. You can select 20 out of 20 or below 20. That doesn't matter. Only at least one and maximum 20 you can select to proceed from here. So website development, I also select some more few topics. that whatever you have interest, whatever you have strength, you can select. That doesn't matter. So there is the SEO, there is the C programming, PHP, HTML, JavaScript I have already selected. Then MySQL, Python, Java, HTML5, C programming, C++ programming, e-commerce, web scraping, then Amazon Web Services, Shopify, Flutter, software testing, Twitter, Objective-C, web development. There are a lot of jobs available, you can see here. API, website build, Microsoft, a lot of different kinds of things are available here. You can select it now, or otherwise after that you can also select it. It doesn't matter. So let me proceed. After that we can select whatever you want. You can edit it, you can remove skills, you can add skills, you can change skill, whatever you want you can do it after that. So doesn't worry, click on the next. After clicking the next, let's see what happens. Then link your accounts. If you have a Facebook account, you can link it. If you don't have any Facebook or LinkedIn account, you can skip it. After that you can also edit it. That doesn't matter. After creating your account, you can also add your Facebook or LinkedIn account if you don't have at that time now, so you can skip it. Or if you have LinkedIn or Facebook, if you have only LinkedIn or only Facebook, you can add, or otherwise if you have both of the accounts, you can add both the accounts. Or after creating your account, you can also add it. It doesn't matter. Now here you must provide your full name and last name. So now I am providing my full name, that is, I have given my full name, and you must provide your surname here. And you can also provide your profile picture just by clicking on here. I am not providing any profile picture at that time now. Then just click on the next. After clicking on the next button, they tell us about brief about yourself. What do you do? Describe yourselves. What you are doing, you must describe yourselves. That is, what you do. What write a one-line description about yourselves. So what description, that means what fields you have specification you must provide. Then you can provide a app developer, that is app. If you are developing app, you can provide app developer. You can also edit it after that, YouTuber, and you can provide graphics designer. Graphics designer, graphics. You can give the graphics designer, the app developer, YouTuber, graphics designer, and describe yourself, the skills, strengths, and experiences. So you can provide the app development experiences, PER, app development experiences. You can give, and after that, if you are making videos on the YouTubers, whatever the fields you have expertise, you can provide. And then after that you can provide, that is, graphics designer. In this way you can provide your details, and after that you just click on the next button. Then what language do you select? You can just select. If you want to work here, it is written in the Hindi, you can select Hindi, or otherwise Spanish, French, German, Russian, whatever the language you have, you can select it. I am selecting the English, and I am removing Hindi. And then you must provide your date of birth. I am providing my date of birth, that is, it's creating problem. You can select from the chart here, just not entering manually. And then you can select your date of birth. You must provide your date of birth. I'm providing my date of birth, and okay, I provided my date of birth. Then click on the next. Then your address. Then address is very important. You must provide your address. There it has came already. I have provided my address, state, pin code, everything automatically came. And after that, almost there. Then almost there, check your email to verify your account. You should check your email to verify your account. Then you should go get into your email and then click on the verify, and then after verification you may proceed. So how to check it? You can go there and check your email, and the freelancer.com website, they have already sent an email in your mailbox. You can see it inbox. So just go to your email, and there I can check it, that whatever they have sent now, that whatever they have sent, you must receive it. So freelancer, so verification of your email, must click on it. After clicking on it, I think they must provide email, or they must provide a link to verify your account. So the email is loading, and after when the email has totally loaded, you just copy the link and paste it in your browser. So here you can go where at the freelancer.com, take the trust and safety of our users seriously. So to verify your email, just by click on this button, must click on this button. You can also right click on it, and you can copy the link. You can go to your browser and open a new tab, and you can paste it there and press enter to search to get into there. So they will show you that your email has verified, that your email has already verified. Then you just click on the next, that you have added the group. Okay, after that, verify payment method. You can also verify your payment method at that time now, or after that you can also verify your payment method. Now at that time I don't want to show you your payment, how to verify payment method, because video has already of a very long, very big length. So I don't want to add up how to add payment method. In my next video I will show you how to add a payment method. It's a very important and very sensitive, that you should follow the steps very clearly, because that's related to your payment. So you should follow these steps very carefully. In my next video I will show you how to verify the payment method in freelancer.com. So for that time now, you can just keep on it, and we're getting into the freelancer. Start your free month, click on it, then you can also skip it. Then let's see what happens. You will not be charged on your first month to do. Then we are getting here that your profile, you can edit it, you can add the payment method, and from here updates, the jobs are coming. Whatever the domains you have selected, on the basis of the domain, the jobs have came here. You just click on it. So you have successfully created. Congratulations to you for it, that you have successfully created a freelancer account, and you have successfully logged in it, and you were now observing the jobs, the client they have posted it, and you can take anyone from it and solve it and submit it to the user, and they will pay for it to you. So this much for this video. If you like this video, if you like it, so hit the like button and share it to your friends. Those who want to work in the freelancer.com, this video is very informative for them, so share it to your friends must, and smashing the subscribe button now to get this type of videos in future at soon as possible. Whenever I have uploaded, you can easily get it. So smashing the subscribe button now to get this much type of informative videos in future. So this much for this video.